Hi, I'm at Tiffany Falls and another impromptu photo shoot. It's not going to be a long one actually, but it is the day before Christmas Eve and the snow has just come down in buckets. We actually had a gorgeous snowfall the other day and then we lost it all because it got a little bit warmer and it rained and it was gone. But so I am at a waterfall and the water's not frozen. So I'm going to be attempting to take beautiful water motion pictures amidst all of this beautiful snow. So I hiked through the woods. There are little wooden bridges that kind of cross back and forth the stream, which is really, really neat. And I'm standing on one now. I had been using my 70-300, which I love because it has a really big lens hood and there's just a lot of snow coming down. I didn't have to worry about snow dotting the lens, wiping it off and everything, but it's not the angle of view that I want. So now I have on the 24-70 and I'm looking at the stream as it goes down and the incredible snow on all of the trees. So I'm just taking a whole bunch of shots that it's really beautiful. When I'm on my tripod, I'm at ISO 100. However, I'm also switching to higher ISOs to be able to catch the falling snow, to have a high enough shutter speed so it doesn't actually look like rain streaks of stuff coming down. And I don't know, it's just gorgeous. It's quiet, it's beautiful. Oh, here comes a family and they know what's good too. I've reached the falls and it is absolutely beautiful. It does not disappoint. You can see there behind me, it is partially frozen and the snow is still falling. It's beautiful. I've had to get creative in how to keep my lens covered because it's just getting completely wet. So basically, what I'm doing is I have the rain cover on and I'm holding the rain cover up but still over the lens and then focusing. I have it on a 2-second timer. So I focus with the button. I hit once I've got the focus right through the middle here, I hit the button and use those 2 seconds to flip the rain cover back, take the shot and then flip it back. So I'm going, like I said, between right now actually ISO 50 and an f16 to get a nice long exposure to get a nice smooth waterfall. And then I'm going to ISO 400 and f6.7 to get the snow falling. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but I'm looking forward to seeing if these shots come out the way I pictured because here it is absolutely stunning. it's just winter wonderland once again. So anyway, it is the day before Christmas Eve, as I mentioned before, and I'm feeling that I'm neglecting my family now and I need to head back. And I just want to say Merry Christmas to everyone, and I will see you soon. Bye.